surprised a little bit. You and Grace have a great connection. Don't know what happened in my situation.
Dancing? The whole song? Oh, I don't know if I have it memorized like that. I did sing the parts that I do know.
Oh man,
How did she season it?
Carrot. I see. Okay, no problem. Okay, I'll give the guys that information. And they'll have your number and my number as well, if anything comes up. So our guys get in usually around 7:30, but
playing field with biological men, which is incredibly unfair and unsafe, and again, an incredibly
Hi, my stink.
My sister's 14 and
Can't with y'all. All right, we're gonna go around the table. Another thrifted book haul. Let's get into it. Elizabeth Strout, Olive Kitteridge, Jerry Spinelli, Eggs. Love this for me. Girl Boss, Sophia Amoruso, Birds of California for when I go bird watching. Every Soul a Star, children's book section. Where the Crawdads Sing. A Week in Paris, because I want to go to Paris. Such a Fun Age. Good Girl. Bad Blood. And then from the same author, A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. I know this is like a sequel, and they had both. A Stranger in the Lifeboat. Wildfire. The Nightingale. Kristen Hanna. Penguin Edition. Penguin Classics. The Penguin Book of Witches. T. Diana. A True Story. Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte. Mispronounced that for sure. Hardcover. Janice. Keith Richards. Life. And then Gabriel Garcia Marquez, 100 Years of Solitude. T. And then from this week, another copy of The Nightingale, which I found today. I didn't know if I already had picked this up at the thrift store because I'm just collecting books at this point. So now I have 2 copies, so I'll be able to either sell this online or give it to a friend after I read it. I found today a Rachel Ray cookbook. Are you kidding me? I'm giving this to my mom for Mother's Day. Love that for me. And then a pocket Buddha book. Cute. And then from earlier in the week, A Tree Grows in Brooklyn by Betty Smith. Beyond a Doubt by Colleen Coble. Love that. Mispronunciation. And then The House Maid is Watching. That's it. Singing is so fun. For me.